Hello students, today we will start our next chapter 15, that is angles, and you have already done in 5th standard angles. You know what is an angle? Like this we show an angle AOB, or you can say BOA, and we write like this AOB, or you can write BOA. This is the name of this angle. And these two are rays OA and OB. They are joining at point O and making angle here, right? O is the vertex here, and two sides OB and OA, or you can say two arms OA and OB. Okay, and we write like this. So you got the work, and I hope you have completed here in the book only, or some questions were you have to do in copy. So first is exercise 15A. In this you have to name each of the following angles, name the vertex and arms. So this angle is acute angle because this is less than 90 degree. If angle is less than 90 degree, okay, angle is less than 90 degree, then that is acute. Greater than 90, obtuse, equal to 90, then 90 degree, that is right angle. And vertex in this is C, but how will you write the angle? ACB. Okay, angle sign ACB. C should come in center. Okay, you can write BCA or ACB. And two arms, this AC and BC. Not AC, that is BC. Two arms are CA and CB. Okay, from the vertex you will write, and you can mark this sign, ray sign, because these are rays. Next is angle PTM. This is obtuse because this is greater than 90 degree, and arms TPTM. TPTM, right? Like this. Now take this example. This is acute angle because this is less than 90 degree. Angle name is XZY, and vertex is Z, and arms ZX, ZY. Okay. Now how many angles are formed in each of the figures? In this, how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 angles are there. Okay, name these angles. If we talk about this angle is, you can write either P, or you can write, or how you can write this angle? QPR. QPR. About this angle? PQR. Q should come in center. This angle? PRQ. Okay. In this figure, how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, and write all the names. In this figure, how many angles are there? In this, you can see 8 angles are there. एक ये तो है ये 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 तो हो गई. अब because diagonal is there, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this small 5. This small is 6. This small is 7, and this small is 8, right? And write the names also accordingly. Name all possible angles in the adjoining figures. This one, small angles, 1, 2, 3. Then this is 4. This is 5. And the complete is 6. So how many angles? 6. First is DOC, COB, BOA, 3 हो गए. फिर DOB, COA, and DOA is the complete angle. So like this, 6. Name the angles shown using capital letters. That means we have to give the names. Small a is given. We will start from A. This is AOB. Like this. For B, it is BOP. For C, POQ with the angle sign. For 1, QOR or ROQ, कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हो. For 2, ROA or AOR, right? Next, In the adjoining figure, name the points on the angle. On the angle. Starting from here, Y is on the angle, U is on the angle, O, P, B, X. Then point interior, जो अंदर है उसके A, T, S, Z, exterior, R, C, D, L. Okay. Now, look at the adjoining figure, state whether each of the following statements are true and false. First is point C is in the interior of angle AOC. Angle AOC. C तो on the हो गया ना? On this angle. So this is not interior, it is false. Point C is in the interior of angle AOD. AOD अब ये है and C इसके अंदर आ रहा है. So that means it is true. Point C, last one. Point C lies on angle AOB. Angle AOB. And point C lies on this. C तो अंदर आ रहा है. So this is false. Next is measure each of the following angles using protractor. You have to use protractor. Keep your protractor here and vertex should on B. And measure the angle. अगर आप यहाँ से start कर रहे हो तो इधर जो 0 होगा वहाँ से start करना है like this. It is less than 90. Acute angle आएगा आपका. Okay. Next is classification of angle. Zero angle बेटा कौन सा होते हैं? Just this line. Not complete line. यहाँ से हम start करते हैं O से सिर्फ एक line. That is zero angle. अगर हम इधर भी बना देंगे तो एक लाइन इधर है एक लाइन इधर है तो ये पूरा आपका 180 डिग्री बनता है. सो जस्ट लाइक दिस. दिस इज जीरो एंगल. वी हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड एनी. यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करके ऊपर ऐसा कुछ भी बनाएंगे तो उतना एंगल हो जाता है. अगर हमने कुछ भी ऊपर लाइन नहीं बनाई तो सिंपल दिस लाइन दैट मीन्स जीरो एंगल. एंड दिस इज लेस देन 90 सो दिस इज एक्यूट एंगल. सो विल डू आवर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. राइट एंगल कौन सा होता है जो 90 डिग्री बनाते हैं? स्ट्रेट एंगल 180 डिग्री बनाता है. एक्यूट एंगल लेस देन 90, ऑब्ट्यूज ग्रेटर देन 90 एंड रिफ्लेक्स क्या होता है? रिफ्लेक्स एंगल इज 180 से बड़ा और 360 से छोटा. राइट लाइक दिस. आपका ये एंगल यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ और यहाँ तक 180 होता है. राइट ये टोटल कितना है? 180. बट अगर 180 से भी बड़ा हो जाए लाइक दिस तो 180 से बड़ा हो गया. बट 360 क्या होता है? कंप्लीट दिस. दिस इज 360. 360 से छोटा है 180 से बड़ा है. दिस इज कंप्लीट 360. ओके 180 से बड़ा 360 से छोटा दैट इज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. ओके नाउ कमिंग टू दिस. दिस इज राइट एंगल. दिस इज इतना 90 होता है 90 से बड़ा. दिस इज ऑब्ट्यूज. दिस इज लेस देन 90 एक्यूट. अगेन दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 90 ऑब्ट्यूज. Now next classify. Now values are given. You just have to see the value. 360 degree. That is complete angle. 182 degree. 180 से बड़ा. Reflex angle. Okay. 3 degree. That is acute angle. 25 degree. Acute angle. Now how many degrees are there in? आपसे अब degree पूछ रहे हैं. 1 right angle. 90 degree. 3/5 right angles. तो कैसे निकालना है? 3/5 multiply right angle means 90 degree. Just solve it. 5 ones are 5, 40, 18. Okay. And this is 54 degree. तो आंसर है 54 degree. So how you have to do? 3/5 multiply right angle की जगह आपने 90 लिखना है. तो सिंपली इसको कट करो और आंसर लिखो. तो 3/5 right angle क्या है हमारा? 54 degree. Okay girls. I am doing some of the parts only because we have given the solution of all the questions. I'm just explaining you how to do and this part you have already done also. 2 right angles means 2 times 90. 90 plus 90, 180 degree. 3 right angles, 3 multiply 90, 270 degree. 4 right angles, 4 multiply 90, 360 degree आंसर आ जाएगा इसका. इसका 270 degree, इसका 360 degree. This you can do orally also. Now 3/2 right angles. 3/2 multiply 90. तो 2 और 90 कट के 45 degree आया. And 3 into 45 is 135 degree. Right? Oh, this I think we have done. Next MCQs girls. They have given you options. You just have to mark. This also you have done. So 1 or 2 parts I'll explain you. An angle measuring 210 degree. 210 degree 180 से बड़ा और 360 से छोटा. So that means reflex angle. So this is correct. An angle measuring 340 degree. Again 360 से छोटा है. Again this is reflex angle. An angle measuring 92 degree 90 से बड़ा हो गया है तो that is obtuse angle. So like this do all the parts. The measure of the straight angle is 180 degree and do the blanks and true false also. And if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Thank you.